The world of AI is moving at breakneck speed. From Tata's new AI platform to Google's supercharged Gemini 2.0 and Elon Musk making Grok-2 free for everyone. Here's your ultimate roundup of the biggest AI news today. Let's start with the Tata Group, which just announced Kaleyra AI, a brand new AI platform that's set to change the game for businesses. What makes it exciting? Kaleyra AI comes packed with generative AI tools for WhatsApp, conversational AI-driven data reporting, and a no-code AI builder. This means companies can now build chatbots and automate tasks without needing coding expertise. It's all about making AI more accessible, helping businesses boost performance, and simplifying customer interactions. The future of enterprise AI is here, and Tata is leading the way. Next, Google has launched Gemini 2.0, the next generation of their powerful AI model. What's new? It's twice as fast as the original and now includes features like text-to-speech and image generation. But here's the real game changer. Gemini 2.0 is built for agentic experiences, meaning the AI can now take initiative and perform tasks autonomously. Think of it as an AI assistant that doesn't just respond to commands, but predicts what you need and gets things done before you even ask.
Check one, check.
Meanwhile, Elon Musk is shaking things up again. His AI company, xAI, has announced that their chatbot, Grok-2, is now free for all X users, formerly known as Twitter. Grok-2 is designed to be informative and entertaining, adding a whole new level of interaction on the platform. By making it free, Musk is doubling down on his mission to bring AI to the masses. Are you ready to test out Grok-2? In a more controversial story, Apple is under fire for a false AI news alert that claimed Luigi Mangione shoots himself. The misleading alert stirred major backlash, raising concerns about accuracy and responsibility in AI-generated news. This incident highlights an important question: how reliable is AI-generated content? As we integrate AI into news and media, ensuring accuracy will be critical to avoid mishaps like this. Switching to healthcare. AI regulation is once again in the spotlight. Researchers from MIT, Equality AI, and Boston University have released a commentary highlighting gaps in how AI models and even non-AI algorithms are regulated in healthcare. While AI holds massive potential in improving diagnostics and treatment, the call for stricter oversight is clear. As the use of AI grows in healthcare, it's essential to regulate not just the tools, but the algorithms powering them to ensure safety and fairness. And for those who couldn't access ChatGPT recently, don't worry, it's back. OpenAI faced a major disruption due to a new telemetry service, which temporarily caused an outage. The good news? Services have now been fully restored and everything is working as expected. Crisis averted. AI lovers, rejoice. Finally, Character AI has introduced new safety features to tackle sensitive content and improve teen safety. This update comes after multiple lawsuits accused its AI companion bots of promoting harmful behaviors like self-harm among younger users. Character AI's move is a critical step in addressing growing concerns about AI companions and their impact on mental health. Safety must remain a top priority as these tools become a bigger part of our lives. So there you have it, Tata's Kaleyra AI for businesses, Google's faster and smarter Gemini 2.0, Musk's Grok-2 going free, and a critical conversation around AI safety and regulation. What are your thoughts on today's stories? Are you excited to try Grok-2, or do you think stricter AI oversight is the way forward? Share your views in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI updates. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead. Quick visuals of AI breakthroughs, upbeat music, and a final call to action to subscribe.